Welcome back everybody to my channel. My name is Joe. Welcome back to another boxing glove review. So today we're going to be reviewing, I'm just going to get straight into this review. We're going to be reviewing the Outshock 500 boxing gloves. So getting straight into this. Outshock is the boxing brand, I guess you'd call sub company, I guess, of Decathlon, which is a big sporting goods store that do all sorts of stuff from skiing to, you know, everything, camping, anything outdoors, sports, you name it. Decathlon does it, I'm pretty sure. I think anyway. I know they do a lot of weight training stuff as well. But yeah, Outshock is essentially Decathlon. It's their boxing brand, their premium boxing brand. Yeah, these are the Outshock 500. These go for around £40, I believe. Can't remember. I've had these for quite a while. Don't know if you can see it in the light, but it's almost like navy blue on there. It's not black, but yeah, these are the Outshock 500 boxing gloves from Outshock. Sorry guys, I know I'm repeating myself. Yeah, these are the 16 ounce, as you can see on the thumb there. And yeah, these are the white and blue. These also come in a black with red highlights instead of blue. But yeah, so getting on. These again, they're around £40, I think. They're pretty decent gloves. I've used them quite a bit. So yeah, let's take a look around the glove first. So obviously I've got my other one here. I'll put them both on in this video eventually. So these are pretty decent gloves. They're nicely shaped. One of my favourite things about these gloves is how flat the punch surface is. Almost reminds me of like a Mexican style glove. Yeah, these are kind of your budget entry-level style gloves. They're not very expensive at all, but the build quality is really good. Here on the palm, I believe that's synthetic leather. Yeah, that's not real leather, but yeah, if you look under the glove as well, there's also a, there you can see it there, like a mesh palm for breathable. And yeah, underneath with the grip bar there, it says Advanced Boxing Gear. And if you look on here, it says Ergo, protection developed using 3D data from our research and development department. Yeah, these are the BG500 Ergo 2.0 PU foam, and it's multi-layered PU foam in there. So we'll do the press test, I guess I'll call it, if we do this here. Very dense, not much give in that, but that's good. If you like to feel your hits a little bit more, that's good. Moving on to the strap. So this is a hook and loop, so this can actually, I believe, completely come out of here. Anyway, it can, but I won't do that now. But yeah, that is, if you're wondering what all this loose stuff is in a minute, that'll make sense soon. But yeah, it's a hook and loop boxing glove. It's almost like a belt loop. It's really good, and it's connected by this piece of elastic here, which is stretchy elastic, which I also like. So putting my hand into the glove, tying it. The good thing about this is when you tie this, because it's elastic, it instantly pulls the glove tight, which I actually really like. And it's got a very moulded hand feel, with a really good punch surface for that. They are easy to put on. They're well built. Again, this is like synthetic leather, and it's almost got like that's almost like some more padding there for your wrist. It's good. What complaints do I have about this? I feel like the thumb is a little bit long, but it's not too bad. It's pretty good. I also like how the glove sticks out a little bit there. I do like that. But yeah, overall, pretty good gloves, especially from a brand that isn't necessarily boxing. Now, another cool thing about these gloves, if you're wondering what this is for, now I do know some people have cut that off if it's bothered them, but it's never bothered me. I just took it in, and as you can see, there's one here. So with these gloves, you can actually, if you put it like that, hold on, makes sense in a moment, guys. You can actually strap them together for when you're carrying them in your bag or whatever it is you're doing with them. Hold on, I believe that goes on like, hold on, give me a moment. Like that. There we go. So you can even strap these together. So that's another cool thing that you don't usually see a lot of glove brands doing. So you put that one from the left glove over there, and then that one from round there goes over the top. And then you have that in a nice little package there. So yeah, that is my review of the Decathlon Outshock 500 boxing gloves. Yeah, I've used these quite a bit. They've lasted me quite a while, and they're a good entry-level glove. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.